morning, everyone.
Morning.
It's Wednesday?
Yep, it's Wednesday. And so we are in Naxos still. And
just finished the workout.
Yep, we just finished the workout.
It's 8:38. And we actually can show you guys around the property. So of course that's the pool area over here. Front area. And now I think we're walking to see what's down to the beach area. Alright, sorry, take two. So we're walking down to the beach, sorry. The GoPro shut off.
And so, yeah, we're walking to the beach. We have a little bit of time. We have a later start this morning for our tour. Alright, we're going to try this again. This is our vlogging.
Yep.
And our vlogging intro to day 4? Day 4? Day 4. And we're trying to, we've been trying to do this intro. We did it twice now.
Yep.
We're trying to look around here. There's a lot of stuff to do here, I guess. In a way, there are lots of things to see.
Baby, but you found it out too late, too late. Now you say you're sorry and you change your ways. Sorry, but you changed your ways too late. So you the way that I cried when you broke my world in two. And baby, I know to take a high, to take a high. I learned from the best, I learned from you. Just to have you back again. Now you are the last thing on my mind. So you finally missed the love you threw away. Baby, but you found it out too late, too late. Now you say you're sorry and you change your ways. Sorry, but you changed your ways too late. The way that I cried when you broke my world in two. And baby, I know to take a high, to take a high. I learned from the best, I learned from you.
So long, waiting for the light to go. Don't you feel that hunger? I've got so many secrets to show.
So we're back
on that stage,
from our
I shiver with the look you gave. Don't you hear that?
cooking class.
Cooking class. I think we took videos on our phones, which I know you'll probably see because I wasn't able to get on my GoPro. We were cooking a lot and washing hands, so unfortunately I couldn't have the GoPro in my hands. But I think we'll at least insert some photos and videos.
Yeah.
So you guys can take a look at what we're doing. But it was delicious. We made tzatziki sauce.
Yeah, that was so good. It's so easy to make too.
Yeah.
It's like yogurt, cucumber, garlic, however much garlic you want.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Olive oil, white vinegar?
Red wine vinegar.
That was red wine vinegar?
Yes.
It was clear.
No, it was the pinkish one.
Oh, it was a pinkish hue?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks clear. Cool. And
Well,
then,
I mean, worst case scenario, we have our
oh yes, they gave us our recipe.
look.
Hey. Recipe, so we can always make it at home.
Let's take a look here.
And then we made zucchini balls, which
Oh, they didn't even say. Oh, 1 spoon of vinegar. Yeah, they just said vinegar. Huh. Interesting. I'm pretty sure they had red wine vinegar though.
okay.
Anyway. Oh yeah, and then they gave us an extra.
Which guess what this is?
This is
Loquats.
Yeah. So now we are going to be making it.
Just gotta fry it, yeah.
I mean, we do have that copper pot that we can fry.
That's true. And then we made zucchini balls and moussaka or moussaka. I don't know.
Oh yeah, because remember in the beginning of the trip, I was like so thrilled with 360s and moussaka.
Yeah.
And I was like, I gotta learn how to make it. Well, guess what?
We made it a very yeah, we made it.
Yeah, we made it in the traditional way.
In that little stone.
And it's like a stone ramekin kind of thing.
Yeah.
It's like a miniature cast iron. But yeah, it was so good and
Oh yeah.
yeah.
Our tour guide was great. I forgot his name already.
Leonidas.
His name was Leonidas?
Yeah.
Like the king?
Yeah.
Damn.
I know.
I'm glad I shook his hand then.
Yeah.
King? Leonidas.
Leonidas, yes, that was his name, Chris.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh man. Well, we're just getting changed up.
We're gonna go walk along the beach.
Yes.
And then just putting on sunscreen. Hashtag sun safety is cool.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, knock on wood, fingers crossed, in the rain today. It's looking a lot better than it was yesterday.
Oh my gosh, I think it was crazy.
When we were a third of the quarter way there to the Temple of Apollo right now, and it was windy. Wasn't sunny. And on the way back it did drizzle a little bit, but it's looking better now, fingers crossed. We just stopped by a drink with Luca. But now we're just gonna sunblock up. They gave us, again, like we showed you guys yesterday, this sack, tote bag with some beach towels. We're gonna put our flip-flops in there just in case our shoes accidentally get wet. If they get sandy, we're just gonna dust them off because this is my only pair of shoes and I know. Are you gonna wear your
I'm gonna do MKs probably.
your MKs?
Because they got dirty yesterday, and man, they'll get dirty.
I can easily wash them when I get home too. This one's it's so hot, just like rinse it off in water and then put it in the air in the sun. It'll dry.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Yeah. But anyways, we're all dressed up. I got pink on. It's light. This also has our floral skirt on.
Yeah. I'm just trying to put some
Sunscreen on. Walk a little bit and then, I mean, we have quite a bit of leftovers. That blue bag. So I don't know what we will do for dinner. If we find something great, if not, at least we have food.
Yeah. And then tomorrow we have to go for breakfast because Luca called us out for not being at breakfast this morning.
And one of us was like, "Oh, did you try the breakfast?" He was like, "No, why weren't you at breakfast?"
And then they were like, he's like, "Come on, guys." I'm like, "Oh."
The breakfast is really good, so yeah.
Like, oh gosh, okay. Well, I guess we gotta try the breakfast tomorrow then.
I mean, which is fair because honestly, I mean, then again, we didn't really know what today would look like either, but we do need to catch our ferry at 10 a.m. tomorrow for Santorini, which is a about 2-hour ride, give or take. I'm sure that, I mean, what I've seen on photos is that they have like an actual nice seating area, lounge, like with food, like a food court area, where you can get food, but I don't know how it'll feel on the actual ship.
Yeah.
If it moves fast, it should be okay.
Right.
But if it's just rocking along.
I think if it moves fast, we'll be fine. If it doesn't move,
I think when we're settling and getting on the boat, we'll feel it. But once it's in,
we did buy meclizine just in case.
Meclizine over the counter. But yeah, we're gonna walk along, take you guys along, and then we find some food. If not, we have food, or we'll just go upstairs and show you guys the sunset. It was a little bit cloudy.
I know. Yeah, the only reason, so we had a reservation yesterday at 6:30, hoping that the sunroof would be, or the rooftop would be better today. I mean, it was great for dinner, but I would honestly just go for drinks too.
Yeah, honestly, I mean, these are staying warm for the most part, so
Yeah.
if we eat, then if not, we'll see. We have the food.
We made it too. We made these.
Oh yeah.
So we made all this food, right? So we made moussaka, we made zucchini balls, we made tzatziki sauce. I mean, the Greek salad is just throw stuff together.
So easy.
And drizzle some olive oil on top. But so we made all the food. But the thing is that what was really cool about this Platia restaurant, or I'm gonna say this right, Platia restaurant. What was really cool is that, like, literally it's a family-owned restaurant that converted into cooking classes.
Yeah.
And I think it's like the owner showed us his farm.
Was it the owner or the owner's son?
Oh, maybe
I think it was the son.
Maybe
But
the
I mean,
owner's son.
that's his vineyard, so.
Either way. So,
as you guys saw.
So there was like a whole farmer's grove of like fruit and vegetables, and they even have a well, and they have a bunch of chickens and stuff like that. And it's just all like organically grown, and and there was even things like loquats there.
Which we tried. Good.
We did. It was really good. So
Mandarin oranges. Sorry we didn't get any footage. Our hands were full. Well, actually, we got footage of just like the vineyards, but none of us eating the fruit. But yeah, we tried 2 sets of oranges, 2 loquats.
yeah, I think that was it. But it was really cool to just see that and see how, because primarily in Naxos, the primary form of living is farming. So farming is essentially like, you know, all the agriculture and stuff like that, and they make each and every one of those farms are family owned. So
It's not like a big corporation comes in and just buys like land and plop. It's like, I guess the family just like, oh, we grew it, then yeah, we'll just sell it, I guess.
yeah, it's
how it
like,
works.
I guess we will sell this stuff. Like,
Yeah.
I
Or just
mean,
give it to me.
even Leonidas was like, he was even like, yeah, I make like 36 liters of
Yeah.
olive
Just
oil.
there.
Just there. And then he's like, I just give it to family and maybe sell stuff. I'm like, oh, okay.
Yeah, right.
Because there is 500 million olive trees here in the island.
But only 20,000 people on Naxos,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Something like
yeah,
that.
something like that, yeah. Most in Naxos town, the rest like sporadic 7,000 in villages and stuff.
Yeah, we got to pass by a hospital. And then Leonidas was like, it's conveniently
Next to the
next to a
church.
church in case things go wrong.
That was funny. Yeah.
Yeah, anyway, so we're gonna just sunblock up and get ready so that we can go on a beach walk and just see where the day takes us.
Yeah. We'll see you guys, take you along, show you the view of what beach is this? It's not George's Beach.
No, George's Beach is where we
It was the
went.
way we were yesterday.
Mm,
Say beach.
it's a beach.
Yeah, we'll take you guys along.
We'll insert it once we figure that out.
Yes. Bye, guys.
Bye!
I learned from you. It's all you. It's all Did you really think that I would really take you back? Let you back in the heart one more time. No, no. Did you think I'd still care? That there'd be one feeling there? Did you think you could walk back in my life? Oh, so you found you missed the love you threw away. Baby, what you found it.
Hi, we are at the beach. The beach.
The beach, yes.
in Naxos, water is cold, as to be expected. We took a dip. Liz was much more adventurous than I was and went full in. It's really cold though. But you get used to it to some degree, but Liz is a champion, of course. Now we're just back chilling up here on the beach, enjoying this sight. I mean, come on. Blue waters. I'm sure it's great in the summer. We're chilling out with some drinks. I'm trying the Mythos beer, which I guess was also advertised. The biggest one, I guess, is the Alpha, which we see a lot. And Liz has got her Blue Lagoon. We were able to find some other drinks and cocktails, so we're gonna sit for a while, soak up some sun. We've got sunblock, SPF 100, so we're okay. Here, for those of you at home, is what we're using. We are not endorsed by La Roche-Posay, but it is SPF 100. So make sure you're protected. But right now it says it's only 70, but this is great. We're enjoying this before we have to go back to Phoenix. Not for a while because vacation is not over yet. We still have Santorini tomorrow, our ferry ride, and then walking the streets of Santorini. So now we're just gonna chill out, enjoy, and
we might try to hit up the rooftop bar area.
Oh yeah, too. For sure. In terms of food, I mean, we have a lot of leftovers. We'll see.
We'll see.
But mainly try to catch.
I mean, if we find something on our way back,
that's true. Wonder if that Euro shop is opening.
I was wondering about that too.
Because it looked closed.
Oh my gosh. We have been desperately trying to find lamb, and they just had the Easter celebration, so a lot of lamb got eaten, so...
I wonder if that's the biggest thing, because chicken is definitely there. Lamb, I feel like it would have been common, but I guess it's just the availability of lamb and goats. I don't know.
Probably.
Yeah, but pork is big. I guess there's a lot of more pigs than goats, but yeah. And you guys, I'm just gonna enjoy this with us. Do a little commentary of the beer. Cheers.
Sorry.
Tastes like a standard. I don't know if it's a lager or not, but it's good. And you guys can enjoy the sunset with us. Or not sunset, the beach. So one of the perks of this hotel is that there's so much area for seating. Seating. It goes getting a little bit cold down there, more so windy.
Yeah.
But we just wanted to come back and warm up a little bit.
I was getting cold. I have a very low tolerance for cold.
Says the one who went in more of the ocean.
I know. And that's probably what happened is I challenged myself too hard.
That's okay. No, I mean, it was getting significantly windier too. So, I mean, the temperature is going to be dropping as opposed to it was... Because when we were walking, it was hot, right? And that was like 2 o'clock. So it's 4 hours after that, so arguably it's going to start cooling off, you know. The sun is still high. I'm not going to show the camera. But, I mean, in about hour and 40, it's going to be dipping down, so...
Yeah.
But we're just here chilling out, warming up before we go inside, and then it's just chilling. If we don't see you guys again, which we may go up to the rooftop bar in a little bit. But if we don't see you guys again, we'll see you again soon. But if not, we'll sign off for now. If not, we'll be back in a little bit. Bye.
Just to have you back again. Now you